Welcome back, my little geologist. So you just finished up your introduction to rocks. You're raring to go. You got your, what's it called? Your graphic organizer all set up, so we're going to be great. Now we're going to move into igneous rocks, and you're going to have 4 specific videos on igneous rocks, one on origin, one on texture, one on mineral composition, just briefly reading over that, and then one on everyday uses. So this is a pretty quick unit, but there's a lot of good information in it, so make sure you pay attention. So, on that note, let's already get started into the reading on igneous rocks. How do geologists classify igneous rocks? Look at figure 1. All the rocks shown in the figure are igneous rocks, but do all these rocks look the same? No, because even though all igneous rocks form from magma or lava, igneous rocks can look vastly different from each other. Igneous rocks are classified by their origin, texture, and mineral composition. So already I have my notes set up, I have the new date in here, so already I'm going to put in how do geologists classify igneous rocks? And then I'm going to answer that and say that igneous rocks are classified by, ooh, that was not proper spelling, classified by their origin, texture, and mineral composition. Just so I remember that this is how I classify igneous rocks, with these 3 things. So then it already jumps right away into origin. So let's go ahead and read. Origin. Igneous rocks may form on or beneath the Earth's surface. Extrusive rock is igneous rock formed from lava that erupted onto the Earth's surface. Basalt is the most common extrusive rock. Igneous rocks that form when magma hardened beneath the Earth's surface is called intrusive rock. The most abundant type of intrusive rock is in continental crust is granite. Granite forms tens of kilometers below Earth's surface and over hundreds of thousands of years or longer. Alright, so we have some really good information in this one. Extrusive and intrusive rocks are really important. You're going to see those come up over and over and over again when you're doing igneous rocks. So I want to make sure I get those in my notes. Origin. I have extrusive rock, and extrusive rock formed from lava that erupted into Earth's surface. And the nice thing about this, onto is probably better. There we go. And the nice thing is that it gives us an example of a common extrusive rock, salt. It's kind of nice, right? And then we had intrusive rock, and that formed when magma hardened beneath what did I spell that wrong? Hardens, okay, whatever. Hardens beneath the surface of the Earth. An example of that one was granite. And we've talked about granite a lot already. We talked about how it's got quartz and feldspar and mica and hornblende in it. And basalt, if you remember from the last video, we talked just real briefly about basalt. And basalt actually has lower silica content, which is why it's a lot darker than what granite is. But that's not really all that important information. So, let's go ahead and keep reading. Texture. Texture is not what we're going to get into right now because this is the end of that video. Psych! So, now that you have stuff on origin, you can go ahead and move on to the next thing on your to-do list. And I will see you on the flip side.